on YouTube, it's Josiah. We're out with Aaliyah again today. We're going to somewhere to get her bike lowered right now so she can finally reach the ground, so that's pretty hype. And then all we'll need after that is some, I want to get some rear sliders, and I want to get a new windscreen eventually, but that's like far in the line. I don't really need one, honestly. So that's the plan today, is lowering her bike. Pretty hype. That vet is nice. Yes, sir. What up? Hey! Yeah, it looks mean. You look dope. Sheesh. Sounds like American Muscle. God damn, off the line. Good luck. Ow! My ears. Smelly. Oh, there he goes. That's a little grown. Where you guys going? Alright, they're out. There's a cop behind us. Why is there always a cop behind us on this road? Hand me your card and you can have gas. Where's your card? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you want to see more of that channel, hit that subscribe button, tap that bell. If you want to let me know something, tell me in the comments. I'm going to see you guys next time. Remember, Jesus loves you. Peace.